Now it's time to look at the case studies in this course. And I've chosen ICT capability through the integration of technology in the classroom. This is an area of main concern for many primary teachers, as it will really help move students forward in their ICT learning and develops their capabilities, which involves a lot more than just the teaching of techniques. So I'd like to use an example of why this is important. If you look at the English literacy learning area, if a student hands you a writing sample or the finished copy at the end, would you accept that as a representative of their literacy skills? The answer, I'm sure, would be no. As a teacher, you would need to go back through the draft book to understand the process that the child went through, the process, the techniques, and the child also needs to see and understand this in order to move forward. It is the same for ICT capability. Any ICT product or solution that a child develops and hands to you does not represent the true capabilities of that child. The finished product is only the final element of a much longer, more complex process. And the process itself is where the real assessment opportunities are. And this is where you can apply the formative assessment strategies that you learn through these case studies in order to be able to learn about the effectiveness and the importance of ICT, and the importance of formative assessment in primary school.